I'm often asked whether someone should fund a trust during their lifetime or at death. And when I say funding a trust, that means, am I transferring assets into that trust while I'm alive, or transferring assets upon my death? And one of the main concerns, one of the big concerns that almost all clients have is control. You know, if I do something today, am I going to lose control? So with basic trust planning, where we're doing living trust planning, that you don't lose any control, because what happens in a living trust is the client is the trustee and the beneficiary. So the client can put assets in, the client can take assets out. If we get into other kinds of planning, like tax planning, for example, and you need to put assets into a trust to get the tax benefits, in those cases, you oftentimes do lose control. In fact, I would say you mostly do lose control. Now, I put that in air quotes because there's often ways, you know, lawyers can be creative, and we have lots of ways that we can, while we can't necessarily in some cases give you technical control for tax reasons, there's ways we can get a client, you know, enough control. And so that question is very fact specific. It really, you know, we have to understand what the issue is at hand, what the client's needs are. But I certainly understand with almost all of my clients, they want to understand where the control lies. And more often than not, they don't want to give it away until they've passed away. And even then, some people, you know, like to control from the grave. And I don't say that as a negative thing. I think it is just, again, very fact specific. And sometimes it's either the client feels it's necessary, and sometimes it plainly seems necessary, that having a little bit of control in place is going to protect some of the beneficiaries from themselves. Thanks for listening, and we would love to help you. And if you have questions about the services that we provide, or a specific question, feel free to reach out to us. You can find all of our contact information on our website, and we look forward to seeing you.